Hey everyone, Ethanika Reddy here, but you can call me Ethanika. This channel is also Ethanika Reddy, so no confusion there. I'm a total photo enthusiast, like catching amazing sunset shots on my phone kind of enthusiast. But I also love diving into the world of photo editing to make those pics even more epic. And since I'm a bit of a wordsmith too, being a content writer and all, I figured, why not share some of this editing knowledge with you awesome folks? So, in this video, we're gonna jump into the wonderful world of Pixlr, a free editing app that's perfect for beginners like myself. We'll cover all the basics to get you started and feeling confident with editing your own photos. Let's do this! Alright everyone, let's dive into the world of Pixlr, our free and user-friendly photo editing buddy. This is perfect for beginners like us, so don't worry if you're feeling a little lost. We'll navigate this editing playground together. There are two ways to get started with Pixlr, depending on your preference. 1. Website Warrior. Open your favorite web browser and head over to pixlr.com and click on Editor. This will take you directly to the Pixlr editing interface. No downloads needed, just instant editing access. 2. App Attack. If you prefer editing on the go, download the Pixlr app for free from your phone or tablet's app store. Search for Pixlr and download the app with the blue and white logo. Alright everyone, buckle up because we're about to take a guided tour of the Pixlr interface. Think of it as your photo editing kitchen, filled with tools to transform your images. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. We'll break it down step by step. 1. The big picture. This is the main attraction, folks. Right in the center of the screen, you'll find a large workspace where your photo will be displayed. This is where you'll see all the edits you make happen in real time. As you click on different tools and adjust settings, the changes will be reflected directly on your photo in the central area. 2. Tool panels on the left. This is where the editing magic happens. These panels are like your drawers filled with various utensils in the kitchen. Each panel contains specific tools for different editing tasks. Let's explore these panels one by one. History panel. This panel, usually located at the top left, keeps track of all the edits you've made to your photo. Think of it like an undo or redo button on steroids. You can click on previous versions of your edit to go back in time and adjust something you changed earlier. Layers panel. This might not be available on the mobile app version. This panel allows you to work with layers, which is a fancy way of saying you can stack different edits on top of each other without permanently changing the original photo. It's like having multiple cutting boards in your kitchen. You can work on different edits independently and then combine them for a final masterpiece. Tools panel. This powerhouse panel holds a variety of basic editing tools. Here you'll find things like the crop tool for trimming unwanted areas, the resize tool for adjusting the image size, and the brush tool for selective edits on specific parts of your photo. Time to unleash your inner Picasso with the brush tool. Select a color that speaks to your artistic soul. Now, grab that size slider and let's get it just right. We're not amateurs here. We're creating a masterpiece. Now, think beyond the usual circles and squares. How about a majestic mustache? Yeah, you heard me right. Draw it with flair, give it personality. Extend those whiskers and make it a statement piece. Feel free to let your creativity run wild. You're the boss here. And you know what? Take your time. Draw a little longer, add some intricate details to that avant-garde mustache of yours. This isn't just a doodle, it's a brushstroke symphony. Picasso would be taking notes. Oh, and don't forget, no judgment here. Whether it's a mustache, a mini masterpiece, or a chaotic burst of color, it's all about expressing yourself. Keep those strokes going and let the creativity flow. Ready, set, art. Adjustments panel. This panel is all about fine-tuning the overall look and feel of your photo. Here you can adjust things like brightness and contrast for a brighter or moodier look, or tweak the highlights and shadows for better detail control. It's like having seasoning packets in your kitchen. A little sprinkle here and there can really enhance the flavor, or in this case, the visual impact of your photo. Filters panel. Feeling creative? This panel is your playground. Here you'll find a collection of pre-made filters that can instantly transform your photo with a variety of effects. It's like having a spice rack full of exotic flavors. You can add a touch of vintage vibes, a pop of color, or a dramatic black and white effect with just a single click. Text panel. This might not be available on the mobile app version. Want to add a personal touch or a caption to your photo? This panel allows you to add text overlays with customizable fonts, colors, and positioning. It's like labeling your delicious creation. A name can add a personal touch and tell a story about your photo. Saving your edited masterpiece. After you've worked your editing magic, it's time to save your creation. Click on the File menu again. This time, select either Save or Save As from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear, allowing you to choose a name for your edited image. You can also choose the file format you want to save it in. JPG is a common choice for photos. Pixlr X offers different saving options, but we'll cover those in more detail later. Once you've chosen the file name and format, click on the Save button. Congratulations! You've successfully opened a photo in Pixlr X, edited it, and saved your masterpiece. Now we're ready to explore the fun world of editing tools and unleash your creativity. Remember, this is just a quick overview of the Pixlr X interface. We'll delve deeper into each tool panel and explore its functionalities in upcoming videos. But for now, you have a basic understanding of where everything is located and what it does. So, feel free to click around, explore, and get comfortable with your editing kitchen. And hey, if you somehow managed to survive my questionable art advice and enjoyed this tutorial, give that like button a gentle tap. Maybe even subscribe if you dare. I promise more questionable artistry and a dash of sarcasm in future videos. Until next time, keep those brushes dancing and, as always, create with a smirk.